अधिकार क्या है
इसका
दीक्षा लेने के लिए?
अधिकार क्या है? जब श्रद्धा होगा,
Like, does one have to be chanting 16 rounds or anything like that?
not thinking, श्रद्धा. श्रद्धा means firm determination. You know,
विश्वास.
what kind of firm determination? If I serve Krishna, then it is serve my parents, serve demigods, serve rishi, serve general people. If you think like that, then it is firm faith. That is the श्रद्धा. श्रद्धा दो किस्म का, एक प्रिलिमिनरी और एक फॉर्म. अक्सर जनरल में जनरल श्रद्धा, not form faith. A firm faith in Namo, then no necessary for Diksha and others. The servant made servant. He never take initiation, Namo or Diksha. But he is eligible to see Lord Chaitanya.
Maid servant to do?
श्रीवास पंडित नारायणी
Narayana.
professional
Dukhi.
Oh, yes.
put in a water, give in water,
Yes.
saving a water.
And Ojamil was not taken any initiation. He adored the name Narayana. But he did the grace of Narayana or not. It entirely depends on the form faith.
A few days ago, you said that when you were chanting on someone's beads, you installed Radha and Krishna and the gopis in the beads. Could you explain that further?
बोला कि आपने लास्ट टाइम कब मंत्र में आपने पति माला में आपने मंत्र जाप किया था ना, क्या था आपने राधा कृष्णा का डीटी का इंस्टॉल किया, मतलब के प्रवेश किया था इन माला में. अब ज़्यादा
ना बोले सिर्फ महामंत्र ही करना, उसके अंदर में सब है.
only do mama and then mala. So what is what महाराज जी वो पूछ रहे कि का मंत्र आपने किया था, आपने मतलब कि डीटीज का इंस्टॉल किया था मंत्र में, मतलब माला में. तो वो पूछे तो और ज़्यादा बोल दीजिए. आपने का नाम मतलब मंत्र आई नाम किया था माला में, आप वो बच्ची बताए कि आपने तो डीटीज का मतलब उसके भीतर इंस्टॉल कर दिया. वो ठाकुर जी तो आपने इंस्टॉल कर दिया मंत्र माला में.
So he told the lady, you have to feed this mala
आपने बोला कि
because I installed them.
आपने बोला कि माला में मैं तो भगवान को रख दिया, आपको मतलब इसे खाना देना पड़ेगा. कि खाना का मतलब कि आपको चांटिंग करेगा. आपने माता जी ने आपने मतलब कि आपने माता जी को माला में आपने नाम किया था, आपने नाम किया था, तो आपने बोला था माता जी को कि मैं तो भगवान को यहाँ पे रख दिया, आपको इसके टू फीड मतलब कि आपको से भगवान के खाना देने के लिए आप नाम करना पड़ेगा.
वो बात नहीं, ये बात होता है, दिस इज द फैक्ट. He take mala and not job. It is not good. So you have to offer food means mala jobna, mala counting karna.
Yeah.
If you stop job, then he getting any food.
Right.
So you have to chant it. Anyway, you take mala, anybody take mala, you have to jop every day.
I thought you were saying in Madhavapriya Prabhu's translation, he said you said that you installed Radha and Krishna and the gopis on the mala, so they have to feed them.
That's what he's saying, that by chanting you're feeding them.
Right.
Yeah, that's what he said.
I was trying to understand how the devotee, pure devotee, installs the Radha and Krishna in the
That's
mala.
what, because that's by chanting. But everything is in the name itself. So deities are in the name itself. I mean, Radha and Krishna is in the name itself.
And
Madhavendra Puri, Sar Radha Krishna, only chanting the name, not any other food, even on water. He is not Sar. The service of chanting the name is the best service. Sri Chaitanya Dev in Tantra Shastra, thousands kind of bhakti, but in Bhakti Samrita Sindhu, Rupa Goswami narrate 64 kind of bhakti. In Bhagavatam, Prahlad Maharaj, 9 kind of bhakti. Sri Chaitanya Dev, gist of the 9 kinds, 64 kinds, 1000 kinds, only 5. Sadhu Sang. First Sadhu Sang. Then you develop the knowledge, also. फिर नामो कीर्तन, फिर भागवत श्रवण, फिर मथुरावास, धामोवास, फिर श्रद्धा श्रीमूर्ति सेवन, श्रद्धा Shraddha means firm faith. As for example, the 2 Brahmins perform Brajamandal Parikrama, and the old Brahmin promised to give her daughter to the young Brahmin. He told that I am a poor. I am poor. I am not Kulin. Kulin matlab
good family.
high class Brahmin.
Yeah.
Those who knows everything and they are wealthy, educated, they are called Kulin. I am not Kulin. So it is impossible to marry your daughter. So you cannot say like that. I give. If you wish to give your daughter to me, then promise in the presence of Gopal. Where in Vrindavan, near Govinda temple. That place is known to all. When we have performed Vedanta Parikrama, we see these things. But there was a Hanuman. Although Hanuman is not suitable to stay in Vrindavan. He is the servant of Lord Ram. Yet he crying, "Oh Vrajavasi, Gopalji left Vrindavan," but nobody will listen. That is called firm faith. Gopal compelled to go. Compelled to go. And Gopal told that Brahma, "I cannot move without food." Then Diti will talk, "I cannot move without food. You have to give me 1 kg rice, kg, not kg rice, kg rice, bhat, anna, every day." Then he will take food every day. And went to south, Vidyanagar. Vigraha can walk, Vigraha can talk, Vigraha can witness everything. When and where the Vigraha will talk.
When you're Shraddha.
Now, in such a position of the devotee, they compel to talk. Because he permits, "I am not talk, I am not walking, I am not eating everything." But he compelled to left his promise. Hey, the devotees, you listen my version in Gopinath Gaudiya Math. There narrate the story. I told the good hidden thought of the that Madhavendra Puri never begging anything for his own maintenance. But Gopinath, he wished they offer my Gopal that kind of kheer, which name is Amrit Keli. Although I have collected 10,000 cows, I offer so many milk products, but yet I have no offer the Amrit Keli kheer. If I get the kheer, I taste the kheer and then I make kheer for the Gopal. Up till now, 2 years continuously, he performed Annakut, but never take any prasad without milk. But now he likes to eat kheer. He left his promise here. After he maintained his promise. I am not to beg anything from anybody. He reached Jagannath Puri and met the why? For the
Sandalwood.
Permission. It is prohibited thing. Nobody can transfer without proper permission. He made king. According to Shastra, निष्किञ्चनस्य भगवद्भजनो नमकस्य पारं पारं जिगीमिषा भवसागरस्य सन्दर्शनं विषयिणाम् अथो योषिताञ्च हा हन्त विषभक्षणोऽपि प्रसाद. Understand?
No.
It is prohibited to be ascetic members. Sandarsanam. मतलब Rajadarshan. Sandarsanam Vishayna means Rajadarshan. Charam Vishayi Raja. Extreme. Rajadarshan, a Stri Sandarshan.
Oh, it's one shouldn't see a king or a
Stri
lady.
Sandarshan. You know Stri Sandarshan?
To see a lady for the sannyasi, for the renunciate.
No. Stri Sandarshan means in the mood of
Enjoying.
enjoyment. Sri Chaitanya Dev, once he rushed to the Tota means garden. Where one lady chanting the Geet of Gita Govinda, Jaydev Goswami, and listening that song, Chaitanya Dev, then Govinda, Prabhu, that is uttered by a lady. Govind, he saved my life. If I touch the lady, then I am saved. But when a Uriya lady climbed in the shoulder of Chaitanya Dev and see the Jagannath Vigraha, then they are Chaitanya, don't distract her to see, because he is so eager to see Lord Jagannath, he never thought that what is he doing. That is not strict.
No.
No. So, Madhavendra Puri never met Raja. He served his Gopal. So, he can do anything but the Gopal.
Service.
And begging also money. How it is possible for an old man 50 kg sandalwood and 20 kg camphor. And when he rushed to Tota Gopinath, Yamuna again, then Gopal told not to come Govardhan. You serve Gopinath. We are identical. No difference. And he offered Tandam and he left this world. And another example of his idea, his famous two disciples, Ishwar Puri and Ramachandra Puri. Ishwar Puri served Madhavendra. And Ramachandra Puri, he advised Guru, why you are crying? You think the Brahma, then get out from here. Then Ramachandra Puri was and Ishwar Puri, there is the prema. Why? Both are disabled. But he is not understanding the thinking of Gurudev. Because Gurudev is crying, I am not to sin. Lord, we, deen of the Ardhanath, Mathuranath, Kadavalakkasi, Hidayam Tadalokakadaram, Dhanmati Kinkaranna. That is his verse. So, main thing is thought. Otherwise, so I told whoever may come and said that dog mala and pyramid of touches. Why? No other to do. You are chanting the name, then you will get benefit. So I told, don't invest in the mala every day in job. You are purchasing mala, I am also ready, are not job. It is not good. That is my idea. চৈতন্যদেব লাস্ট কেবল তার মধ্যে সর্বশ্রেষ্ঠ নাম সংকীর্তন। হয় নাম সংকীর্তন হরিস্থানে অপরাধী তারে হরির নাম।
If you offend Hari, you can make it up by chanting. Damodar and Anjali, they were chanting a lot here in the Dham, but when they go back to the West, they have a hard time. Can you do something to inspire them to chant a lot and with faith?
मैं बोलूं?
Yeah.
महाराज, हम न्यूयॉर्क में रहते हैं, अमेरिका में रहते हैं, और जब हम इधर आए नवद्वीप के लिए तो हम अच्छी तरह से बहुत चैंटिंग कर रहे हैं, पर जब हम वापस जाते हैं तो फिर मुश्किल होती है चैंटिंग करने में। ये जॉब रहता है, सब कुछ जो होता है फैमिली का, बहुत मुश्किल रहती है।
ना मुश्किल होता है इसलिए तो बोलता साधु संग।
I think that's why I'm saying sadhu
शक्ति कलो जुड़ी संग शक्ति जुड़ी बहुत आदमी रहेगा सब जब the devotees of Lord Chaitanya, they are fearing to chant the name, perform kirtan, because Chand ka broken the mridanga, so they are afraid. Then Chaitanya Dev told them not to fear anybody, anyone, but they are not satisfied. They are not firm faith in Sankirtan. Then Chaitanya Dev, tomorrow I start in Nagar Sankirtan. Everybody get one massage, Mahadev, everybody. Then the man, one Mahadev and his son, bigger than that Mahadev, and perform Nagar Sankirtan with 3 parties. First party, Haridas. Second, Advaita. Third, Nityananda. With Mahadev. Mahadip matlab
Torches, fire.
fire means in a stick, they letting the cloth
Cloth
and
and
the
gasoline.
oil. If you go to Puri, they maintaining this same system when Lakshmi went to Gundicha.
ऊपर है सुंदर कथा शुरू करके बैठा है
That is called Mahadip. Then they are afraid. Finish the garden of Chandkaji. They fear Chandkaji, but now Chandkaji is fearful. Why? Sangha Sukti Kalu. So many big people adopt his house. So originally Sangha Sukti.
You get power by Sangha.
Ah,
We're told not to keep you long.